not username password, but of course guys, in this left side is IMSI's, and IMSI is quite private. Your Volte, if you make transactions with the Volte, it will be involved also with the CSCF itself.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Welcome to Rifki the Cyber. In the first video, we already tried to utilize this product by using the pickup file of the traffic from the ecosystem of the IT infrastructure, from the ordinary information technology infrastructure. We are using the pickup that we covering all of the traffic from those IT infrastructure ecosystem. And we can see this product giving a very good result in terms of the network diagram and also giving us a very great platform analysis in terms of the UI and their utilities. And we can see that their platform is very beautiful, right guys? And please note, this is not paid promotion. Now I'm going to test this with the next level of another industry. I'm going to use the pickup file that using the packet data core from the telecommunications infrastructure. Let's see guys, is it really work optimum in this case? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to this and I already upload something, for example this one. Okay guys, it seems this is quite pretty work fine in this case. So from here, you can see what is the event authentication. When we click this one, is actually you can see some diameter, for example. And this is the network, this is the inventory. And we click here, okay, this is the IP from the Guangdong, from the Shenzhen. And also this is the external host. They can recognize the external host, for example. And this is the credential, which is actually eventually, if you see here, not username password. But of course, guys, in this left side is IMSI's. And IMSI is quite private. And later, you can see there are some network services here. For example, this is S1 application protocol. S1 application protocol is definitely the interface between the eNodeB or the BTS cell of the 4G to the mobile mobility management entity. S1 AP is definitely the interface that telling you, hey, we able to capture the eNodeB and also we able to capture the dialog also of the eNodeB. That means the eNodeB and MME mobility management entity also included here, guys. So we can see from here, for example, do like this, I'll filter with the dragging this one. So we can see what is the IP that using the S1 AP in this case. And also we can see from here there are some GTP and GTP version 2. So GTP usually using for the 2G, 3G and GTP version 2 is using for by the 4G. Okay, after I explain about GTP version 2, we can come here, etc. Gaming. Okay, this is the gaming, QQ, speed, etc. We can click from this one. Let's see what is this, something like that. Oh, okay. Oh, this is the domain name, I think, for the game server itself. The QQ speed is the protocol, basically. It's state as the protocol here. Okay, now we go first to the inventory. Okay, guys, we found PCSCF here. So the CSCF is actually CSCF basically call session and control functions in this case. So it's responsible to set up the call and control the functions to mainstream the multimedia data. It can be voice and it can be video. Your Volte, if you make transactions with the Volte, it will be involved also with the CSCF itself. Anyway, the interesting things, when I scrolling down, we don't find any vulnerabilities. Okay, from the packet core, you see there's a S1 AP. You can see also there's a diameter. You see also there's a GTP. Now I'm going to test for the next level again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some pickup file. Those pickup file is actually from the radio part, eNodeB to the user equipment in this case. So let's check, guys. First, I need to delete this one. No need. I still have one, right? So I'm create another project. I'm select the file. Okay, I'm select the file. I go to the pickup test. Okay, the file name. Okay, this one, the radio. I will just choose this one. Open this. We'll just give the telco, for example, this one. Let's test, guys. What happened? Is it success? From the core network, from the eNodeB to core network, it's already proven. But for the radio part, let's see. Whoops, guys. It's turned out the Telesir in this case, they cannot convert this, guys. Let me investigate what happened. Although this is normally I should ask them. I will open manually for the pickup file in this case. Okay, my guessing this is because using the DLT user, which is proprietary to decode this one. For example, I mean the I mean, this is using the DLT packet. It is not really native from the itself because we need to dictate mark LTE frame in this case, right? So this is his proper tree. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to find another one, the radio, still radio side. So we can see with this radio, how is it look like? Let's test, guys. Okay, I'm going to come here, and I think I need to delete this one because I have maximum until to project only. Of course, to delete, we need to confirmations to reiterate this one. Just select the file and then choose this, the radio itself. Come to here, put like this. Okay, guys, great. It turned out they can do some converting, but of course this one is only like UDP, right? Because it's using UDP, for example, this one. So I will just try to open for you what does it look like inside this one. So there are so many protocol here for GSM tab in this case, and link access procedure. From here we can see this is the original. There's a location update request, etc. But of course, because this is the UDP, then this is just tell this is okay. This is part of this UDP itself in this case. So for example, if I do like this, yeah, of course they just reflecting like this. It's not really like so many applications, unlike so many protocol. Is not really breakdown until to the radio level in this case. It's great also, I think, to give the input also to the cyberspatial developer to put in this case, for example, more breakdown. The protocol itself, the name is GSM tab, for example, like this. For example, is the GSM tab, for example, like this. Which is actually, this is already in the native of Wireshark itself. Although in their website, they claim that they have more protocol coverage compared with the Wireshark itself. Identify thousands of protocol and apps that otherwise show up as the generic connections. In here is stated that Telesir has more protocol coverage compared with the Wireshark. Well, when we try with the my radio frequency pickup file that contains with the RF radio frequency connections to 2G or 4G itself, they cannot cover the GSM tab protocol itself. So we need to ask to the cyberspatial team, is it really correct or just overclaim with this one, and why the GSM tab cannot be decoded in this case. So what do you think, guys? Is it really useful for you? Is it really worth for the monthly rate? Because this is charged, can be monthly, can be annual. You can check the price and they will give it to you 20 something days or 1 month, for example, for free to test it. And in the maximum is 2 projects. Of course, you can delete it and upload the other ones. You assess by yourself. For me, this is quite helping for the classic native generic organic infrastructure of the IT itself. But for the telecommunications, I think this is not really quite holistic. Maybe can be put in the pipeline for the next product line of the cyberspatial to be put in the Telesir, or breakdown of the protocol, for example, or at least it's not only because we can see diameter S1AP, GTP, but they cannot see, for example, GSM tab, etc. What do you think, guys? Maybe I missed something in this case, and hopefully this is useful for you guys, mainly for the guy who writing the high level design, or you need to create the complete of the data network planning, for example. Hopefully this can be useful. And as I always say in my other video, keep learning and stay humble.